We want these 5 things at any cost: pension, gratuity, provident fund, travel expenses, and that not actually travel expenses, the travel facilities, and the voting rights for the onboard seafarer. So if you want to know how it is possible, then you have to stick to this video till the end. Welcome back to my channel. Over to Merchant Navy guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So NUSI has posted one new circular. I will tell you regarding the circular. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes, then I will show you each and everything. So in that circular it has been properly mentioned that seafarer must get 5 things such as pension, provident fund, the travel facilities, your onboard right, means the voting rights when you're on board. So like that 5 things are mentioned, and the gratuity means a certain amount of money you will get after some period of time of your employment. Okay, so these things will go to the Prime Minister. One petition is there, petition form is there. So how to send this, what is the procedure, everything I will tell you. But before that, 25,000 petition is important. So if you are watching me, it is my humble request to all of you that please be a part of this historic moment. You don't need to do anything, just fill up the petition, scan it and send via email. There is nothing, means 2 minutes, 2 minutes only. Okay, so please do it. It's my humble request to all rank of the seafarer, officers, engineers, for all of the crew members, all means who are having the CTC, they are applicable. So let's move to my laptop screen, and there I will show you each and everything regarding this petition and the sending procedure. So it is very easy. Just go to Google and write NUSI circulars, okay, and click the first option. Don't worry about the link, I will give the link in the description box, so you can directly redirect to this page. Okay, so there are 3 main circular is there. First one I will show you, it was created on 16th of August. Just click on that and you will get a PDF. Okay, just download it and open it up. So in this PDF you can see that NUSI is demanding some rights regarding the pension, annuity, gratuity. Gratuity means after some period of time, after the employment, you will get some amount of money. Priority in travel. Apart from that, voting rights during the election. Okay, these things are NUSI is demanding. We also want the provident fund for all ranks of Merchant Navy seafarers serving on cargo or cruise ships of Indian and the foreign ships. At present, only ratings and petty officers are getting provident fund on both Indian and foreign flagships on NUSI agreement. Okay, so this is the demands NUSI have posted. Apart from that, this is the notice you can see. So this kind of things you can read by yourself. Here are some clauses are there to provide pension, annuity, to provide gratuity, to provide priority in all modes of travel for seafarers. So these things you can read by yourself. Voting rights are there in brief manner. Okay, so this is the first notice. Second notice, I will show you what is the procedure, how to submit this petition. Okay, let's move to the screen again. So this is the procedure list. You just need to click on that and you will find a JPG file. So again the demands are mentioned over there. 5 demands. NUSI is demanding that pension, gratuity, provident fund, priority in travel for seafarers, and voting rights for onboard seafarer. Okay, so what you have to do, I will read out little bit. We cannot wait any longer and have advised all ranks of Merchant Navy seafarers serving on cargo or cruise ships of Indian and foreign flags, along with their families, to send attached petition to the Honorable Prime Minister at email connect@mygovernment.nic.in and copy to NUSI email nusi@nusi.org.in. okay, to make our case stronger. So there are 3,50,000 seafarers in India, all ranks. So they want the 25,000 petition. So how to do it, I will show you. So there are some things are there, you can read by yourself. I will not read it out. 6th point I will read it out, that is we need maximum 25,000 petition to start with. Okay, we are directing all ranks of seafarer on cargo or cruise on both Indian and foreign flag ships along with their families to send petition without wasting any time. It is your duty and there is already tremendous response from your fellow seafarers of all ranks. Okay, NUSI will make and circulate the first list of 25,000 petitions with name, rank, CDC number, including the names of family members. So this is once in a lifetime chance to be part of the historic movement. Don't miss it. Present and future generation will know that you are a part in the historic struggle to fight and achieve the welfare benefits as a right and not a meharbani from anybody. Okay, so let's see who comes first in the list. All the best to you, near and dear one. Now I will show you the procedure how to download the petition. So again we will go back to that page and see there is a link, petition long pending welfare measures for all ranks of merchant navy seafarers serving on Indian and foreign flag ships. You just need to click over a download file. Again one PDF will be downloaded and this is the main petition. The Honorable Prime Minister name is mentioned over there and all the demands are also mentioned. Now you just need to take a printout, or if you can able to edit the PDF, that is also fine. You just need to put your name, your CDC, your rank, your email ID, phone number, your address. Okay, and you need to send the mail. I've already told you, another time I will show you. So that is the mail, connect@mygovernment.nic.in. that is the mail ID. And after filling up this petition, you need to CC your mail to this email ID, nusi@nusi.org.in. so that is the full procedure that you can submit your petition to the government, that we want our rights such as pension annuity, gratuity, priority in travels, voting rights during election, and additionally we want provident fund for all ranks of seafarers on both Indian and the foreign flags. So that's it guys. I have, assuming that you have understood this video, I have tried to make this video in a very clear way that you can understand. So this is my request to all of rank seafarers, that please do it and please be a part of this good and a positive initiative. Obviously we need this kind of rights. Thank you guys for watching. So I guess you have understood this video. This is for your own sake. I have tried to make you understand in a very simplified way in a video format. So I guess you have understood regarding this video, and please be a part of it, and it will take 2-3 minutes, not more than that. Okay, pension is obviously required for seafarers. Okay, now, especially in previous days salary was not like that. So definitely that video I will discuss maybe tomorrow, that why these things are required. I will make a video, separate video for that. So let's end it over here, this video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.